And I think we're ready to announce the top 8 founder.
Hello models, this is it. I have 17 beautiful models stand before me, but I only have 8 photos in my hands. And these 8 photos represent the 8 models that is still be running and to become the first ever Lennox Next Top Model International Single KSA. The first thing that I'm going to call is the first finalist in non-particular order. The first name is Almar. Congratulations. Congratulations, you're still in the running towards becoming Lennox Next Top Model. You are the first finalist. Congratulations. Stay here. The next name that I'm going to call is PJ. Congratulations. Congratulations. The next name that I am going to call is the third finalist in this competition. And that is you, Miru. Congratulations. You're still in the running for becoming Lennox Next Top Model International Philippines. The fourth is Zeph. Well done, you. Congratulations. You're still in the running. The next name that I'm going to call is the fifth finalist in this competition. And that is you. Congratulations. Yep. Congratulations. You are still in the running for becoming Lennox Next Top Model. Few models, 2 pictures in my hand. I'm so sorry, 3 pictures in my hand. And the next thing that I'm going to call is Ashley. Congratulations. You're still in the running for becoming Lennox Next Top Model. 2 photos in my hands. And the next thing that I am going to call is the second to the last in this competition. And that is you, Grace. Congratulations. You're still in the running for becoming Lennox Next Top Model International. Well done. The last name and will be part of the top 8 finalists in LMD of the KSA. And that is you, Mara. Congratulations. You're still in the running towards becoming Lennox Next Top Model.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 8 grand finalists. Wala po na everyone. And to our models, female and male category, palakpakan niyo naman din. You did your best, but siyempre kailangan pumili ng ating jury who will be on our top 8. At maraming salamat, Sir Mike Escobar, sa iyong pagiging mabait sa lahat. At maraming salamat kasi napaka-generous ng ating sponsor. Sa lahat ng ating mga models, makakatanggap ng gift bag from Mike Escobar. Ayun. Thank you very much. Mike Escobar online shop. Sana kami din. Yung Alright, also from Selling Money, magbibigay din ng gift box sa lahat ng ating mga models. Congratulations! Alright, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors, Selling Money, for your generosity. our generous sponsor from Winstown would like to give a gift back. Maraming salamat po. This is to all the models. Thank you very much and congratulations. So now guys, while waiting for the jury, we will now be combining the scores from our social media to our photo shoot into our runway challenge. This is based on their challenges tonight. From white attire, Lena Zapata,
Philippine Airlines, summer attire, Madonna Couture, and Watch Restoration, and Peace Panuman.
maraming salamat. I think all of our sponsors are already giving all the gift back. At maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Isang palakpakan naman to our models, guys. Maraming salamat sa efforts ninyo. And you did your best. Maybe this never time, and you can try it again next year.
Congratulations.
Alright, I would like to call all the top 6 grand finalists to be on stage as we're about to unveil the grand winner for tonight. Palakpakan, everybody. So, Jehan, kumusta yung feeling? Nandito tayo sa grand finale time. We'll be announcing now our grand winners for tonight.
Well, finally, matatapos natin. It's morning already. So, guys, makakain na. Ayan.
Ganun talaga isang mga decorated rules sa hindi inaasahan. So maraming salamat. Even though medyo nag-extend tayo ng time back, maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito. Isang palakpakan naman guys. Thank you so much for supporting the event. At sana marami pa tayong susuportahan next week. Meron din pa up until all of our shows sa lahat ng mga nagkikain dito. Maraming salamat. Alright, since hindi pa ata ready yung ating judges, interviewin natin. So, you go from that side, I'll go from here, Jehan. Siyempre, para marinig naman natin, we're waiting for the tabulators na mag-isa lang, to combine the score and for us to get our grand winner, first runner-up and second runner-up. Jehan?
Alright, the question is, why you should be the next Lennox next top model?
Thank you for the for me, I believe that I deserve to become a next top model because I been through a lot to become a next top model.
Palakpakan ka. Dito naman ako. Sir, okay ka pa lang po ba, sir? Parang kinakabahan ka. Okay lang? Alright, so tatangalugin natin, bakit sa feeling mo ikaw ang kauna-unahang Lennox Next Top Model International Felcom PSA 2024?
Actually, hindi ko po alam.
Oo, bakit ka nandito? Charis.
Pero, I built myself confidence in that.
Okay lang, palakpakan naman natin lahat naman yung kabalo. Hindi na sa akin Q&A pa. But it's fine. Actually, wala namang problema. Lahat deserving to win. Depende na sa ating mga judges kung sino yung napupusuan nila based on your performance from our photo shoot, social media, and our challenge tonight. So, Jehan, Sir JP.
So,
PJ pala, JP.
okay, yung question, ito ulit ko, bakit ka dapat maging Lennox next top model?
Maraming salamat sa napakaganda ng pagkakas. Para sa akin, I deserve it. I am not joining Lennox Next Top Model for nothing. And I do believe that I do my best in this competition. So, yun po.
Maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman natin, guys. Okay, si Sir naman, si Sir Scott. How are you, sir?
I'm good, sir.
How do you feel until we're at the end of the show?
Actually, I'm nervous that it's gonna go.
Okay, so anong sasabihin sa judges baka mabago pa yung score? Ayaw niya daw matanong. Okay na, yung palakpakan naman natin, Sister Seth. Sige, tuloy-tuloy na lang tayo. Baka may gusto lang yung message sa ating lahat ng supporters.
Any message? Any message to your supporters?
Tumatawa siyang mag-isa.
Salamat sa lahat. Sa lahat ng sumuporta.
Kaya palakpakan natin lahat ng supporters. Lahat ng supporters ng topic, pumalakpak na mas malakas. Ayan, syempre, ang ating trans Pinay, palakpakan Mara. Ewan ko sa'yo, ano gusto mong sabihin?
We all know my situation here, especially in this place, Islamic City. But I do believe that being myself, I showcase myself to all of you. And in this world, full of judgment people, whatever you do, whatever you are, they will always judge you. So I believe you need to showcase yourself by yourself, and you need to motivate others to showcase their self also. Thank you.
Palakpakan everybody. As long as you're not hurting anyone, at private naman yung show natin. Huwag kayo mag-drive ba? Kasi tatakbo talaga ako. Charis na. Alright! Ikaw wala, makinig sa iyong mga supporters at syempre, bakit ikaw ang karapat-dapat na manalo ngayong gabi?
Overwhelmed po sa mga friends ko over there. Sa kanila, na may mga pasok ako ng maagang bukas, pero nag-stay po sila. Dahil lang advisory ko. Kay Venus po, kay Sir Steve, Play, sa lahat po, Ate Barbie, Lennox family, maraming salamat po. Ang laki po nang naitulong sa akin ng Lennox para po mag-boost yung self-confidence ko. Thank you so much!
Maraming salamat sa mga kaibigan. Judges, umiyak po, baka may chance na mabago pa.
Yun.
Ang taas na pagtulog, natalo si Mara Clara.
Alright.
Alright! Next candidate.
Any message? And bakit ka karapat-dapat Lennox next time?
Maraming salamat. Nagpapasalamat sa aking mga artist, si Sir Alamat at Sir Roman, and also to my designer, to my very beautiful gown tonight, si Sir Rod, at sa nag-design also ng forward ko, si Sir Ron Dantosa. Sobrang maraming salamat. At thank you so much also kay Elaine na nag-bigay sa akin. At sa tanong niyo po, kung bakit karapat-dapat akong mag-inag, because I believe that I will do all my best to be on the top, and I deserve to be in the top because I have the potential to become a model. Thank you so much.
Palakpakan Ashley! Alam niyo, our judges are now ready. Jan, bakit ikaw dapat manalo? Sabi ni nasa likod.
Ako dapat manalo. Well, for me, syempre, Lennox Next Top Model is hindi madali gawin. Syempre, as a model, kailangan mo have responsibility. Hindi lang responsibility yung meron ka, dapat rin may puso ka sa kapwa mo Pilipino.
Ay, palakpakan! Dahil ka na walang panalo sa inyo, si Jen ang ngayon.